Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to change announcement bar background color in Shopify and add gradient color. So, if you have started your online business with Shopify and you wanted to customize design your Shopify online store by yourself without hiring any developer, without any coding skill, then these tutorials will be very helpful for you. So let's get started. Here is my Shopify online store, and you can see that right now the announcement bar is very normal design, just a white background and green text color, and it is not very eye-catching for audience to attract their attention. Okay, so to increase our sales, we must have to make this announcement bar eye-catching to grab the attention of customers and visitor. Okay, now the question is that how we can change this announcement bar background color and add gradient color. I have very easy and fast solution that I'm going to apply right now. So first of all, you have to log in your Shopify admin panel. Here's my Shopify admin panel. Then click online store. Now click on this three dot icon, edit code, and then open base.css file. Just search base, then you will find base.css file. Open this file, scroll down, and here we will add a simple code. Now this is the big question, where you will get this code. So don't worry about the code. I have already published an article with step-by-step guideline details in my website e-commerce thesis, and I will share this article link in the video description so that you can easily copy the code from my website. So now I am going to copy the code from my website. Here is the article link that you will find in the video description. Then you have to copy this code. Just copy and add this code in here. Click on save button. We have done. Now go to my website, reload. Wow, it looks very nice and eye-catching than previous. So I hope you understand how we have added gradient background color in the announcement bar background, and I believe you can do it by yourself right now. Just copy the code from my website and paste it in the base.css file. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.